In order to apply filter, you have to select row or column that you want to filter it. Select the row you want to filter, including the header row also. Now see how will I do. I have selected the whole data including the header. Also header row means this row where the fields name are given. Filter applied, you see the arrow over here. Now click on this arrow and you will see the data over here. Okay, from here you will also see as we scroll down that the whole list is present, and if I unselect this all data, what will happen? Let's see. If I unselect few of the names, what will happen? Filter, see, some of the names disappears because I applied that thing filtered. And this, see, this sign is also changed. Equals Anas, Bilal, Fahad, Farouk, and this, all these names are present, but the name that I have removed the tick from, these names are not there. See this. If I again click OK, the whole list will be back. This is the thing of filter. In class column also, see, if I remove 9th A and 9th B and do OK, only the students of 9th C will be appearing and the data and contact number can be seen on the screen. And if I want them back, let's suppose I want the students of 9th A back in the list, I will do OK and this will be back. And then we have 9th B also. OK kiya, the whole list is back. In the similar way, the telephone number list also, if you want to remove any of this, let's suppose two numbers I have to remove, I did it and this happens. In the form of the age also, if I want to remove the age of 15-year students, okay, just do OK and you will see the ages from 14 and till to 12 can be seen. Otherwise the 15 age group is hidden because I have filtered that data. And you will see this change in the icon also. This small thing was not mentioned before, filtering. If I call back this 15-digit number, then do OK, see, this icon is removed, whereas it is still present over here because this data column is still filtered. And if I click tick to both of these values, this column also will be back to the initial stage.